Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well, and today I got a nice recipe, very famous in Peshawar but used throughout the world. Peshawari chapli Kabab or chapli Kabab. They taste awesome, and stay with me guys and I'll show you how it's done. So for this guys I'm going to need 1 kg of mutton meat and 2 onions chopped fine. Bismillah. You got to make sure you drained all the water out of this. There's no water in it at all really. And 2 small tomatoes, de-seeded. Bismillah. Again, because I de-seeded it because they have water in it, to take all the water out really, because I don't want any water. And 1 cup of coriander. Bismillah. I've got 4 chilies here chopped fine, but you can use more, whatever you prefer. Bismillah. 1 tablespoon of ginger chopped fine again. Bismillah. And 3 tablespoons of plain flour. Bismillah. Plain flour, that is. And now I'm going to add the herbs and spices in before giving it a good mix. 1 tablespoon of coriander crushed very fine. Bismillah. 2 tablespoons of chili crush, chili flakes, whatever you call them. 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, also known as zira. 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon of garam masala. 1 tablespoon of pomegranate powder, a nardana powder, also known as a nardana powder. You can put a whole pomegranate seeds in, dried seeds, but I like to use the powder. 1 tablespoon of salt or salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. And half a teaspoon of ajwain. And then give this a good mix. Bismillah. Gotta give this a good mix now. Make sure all these herbs, spices, the onions, the tomatoes, everything's nicely mixed in. Okay guys, this is virtually mixed now, but I've still got to add an egg into it. But regarding the spices, you can, add more or less in, whatever you prefer, even the tomatoes and onions. I'm going to fry an egg and put it in. People put it in raw, but the actual traditional style of making chapli kebab is to fry the egg slightly, break it up and put it in, which I'm going to do now. Okay guys, so I'm going to need a bit of oil on the bottom. Then put in 2 eggs. Once the oil is heated up, I'm going to add in 2 eggs. You don't have to whisk up. I'm just going to break it up like a scrambled egg really. Once you broke it into small pieces, let it cool down and add it into the minced meat. But make sure you let it cool down before you add it in. Okay guys, once the scrambled eggs cool down, I'm going to add it into the mixture. Bismillah. Then give this a good mix. Make sure all these eggs are nicely mixed into it as well now. Give this a good mix guys. Make sure all the eggs nicely mix into it. Once you've done that, put it into a bowl and let it marinate for at least a couple of hours. If you can do more, well and good. Okay guys, this will be marinating for over 2 hours. I'm going to give it a quick mix. You don't have to be too thorough. And then we'll start making the chapli kebabs. Okay guys, so we'll start making the chapli kebabs. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You need a handful. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You can have them any size you like, but don't make them too big. You want them just about right size, yeah? Just make it into a ball and then just spread it out in your hand. Bismillah. Until you get something like this. Just pat it down till you get it to the right size, the size you want. Till you get them something like that. Okay guys, I've got them ready now to fry, so I'm going to fry them. So you need a bit of oil at the bottom, so the bottom's covered. Get as many as you can in the pot, and that's in the pan, sorry. And let them cook for a bit, and then you're going to toss them over. Okay guys, these have been cooking for about 3-4 minutes now on this side, so I'm going to toss them over. Look at there, absolute beauty. Once you toss them over, let them cook on the other side. They do shrink a bit, so I can get another one in there now. So now I can get another one in. Push that one over, so this one nice and flat. Just cook them evenly on both sides. Keep on tossing them over every so often until they're all cooked. Okay guys, these have been cooking for about 3-4 minutes per side, so I'm going to check them out now. And you'll add more in and you'll cook them all like that then. As you take one out, just add one in. Just toss them over, lads. MashaAllah guys, these are coming out wonderful. Smell absolutely beautiful as well. MashaAllah guys, the chapli kabab are ready and they come out beautiful. I made them 2 different sizes, so you can have many sizes you like here. Made them slightly smaller that side, and then these are slightly bigger, and you can go even bigger as well. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.